Now for assessment, we've got our sky in there, and we just really want to be diligent before we even put that first bit into a pool. We can do some just real quick checks right in the VMware UI. You don't need any command line or any sort of special expertise for this. We're going to make sure that our memory and CPU reservations were set up right for our Sky license, and we can check that under the resource allocation tab. We're going to take a look at the actual data store performance that's hosting these pools. So if we couldn't actually make our production pools earlier and we were just using those test sizes, now that Sky's up, we can use the built-in tools in VMware to get a better look at really what's going on here. If you're getting 5 to 10 millisecond read-write speed, that's okay. If you're running like an NVMe array, like a pure array, you're going to be closer to maybe 2 to 5 instead of 5 to 10. If you're running some real old, kind of worn out spinning disk, we could see 15 or 20. If we're starting to see 15 or 20, we need to be aware that we may have some performance issues. Again, we're so transactional that even those little teeny tiny overruns times 10,000 in a minute builds up real quick. And if we do find that we've got some kind of suboptimal storage, some suboptimal network, we can go back to those bulleted slides earlier and we can work through that list, and we can either identify or cure whatever's causing the contention in the resource pool to get that network asset made available, to get those storage assets made available so that we can actually do the work that we tell you we can do. Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.